From huge V formations of migrating birds to pulsating flocks moving in perfect unison, the flight of birds is one of nature's most graceful sights. Yet incredible footage has emerged that shows what can happen when two rival flocks fly into each other. The clip captures the moment when pink-footed geese charge through the middle of a huge flock of starlings, causing absolute mayhem. One theory holds that animals that live and move in huge groups have evolved to have three inbuilt zones. It is designed to ensure animals within a group don't collide and move as one fluid being. The zone furthest from the animal is the zone of attraction, to encourage animals not to stray from the group. The middle of the three zones is the zone of alignment, which makes sure all individuals in this area are facing and going in the same direction. The zone closest to the body is labeled the zone of repulsion, where any animal inside this limit triggers an automatic reaction to go the same direction. The footage, shot at Martinmere Nature Reserve in Tarlscoff, Lancashire, shows a mesmerizing starling murmuration as they appear to move as one fluid body, being rudely interrupted by the incoming geese. Animals that move and live in close proximity to one another have developed complex methods of navigating without crashing. A common theory is that these animals have developed zones around them to tell them where others are. But in this case, the ability clearly wasn't enough to prevent a collision between the two groups. Dr. Christos Ioannou is an expert in animal collective behavior at the University of Bristol. He told Mail Online, "There's evidence from a range of animals that there is a zone of repulsion around each individual, so that when others get too close, individuals act to increase the inter-individual distance." There's evidence that animals both simply change direction when another individual is in their repulsion zone, and also that they slow down if that other individual is ahead, or speed up if that other individual is behind. The theory also suggests that as well as the zone of repulsion, there is a zone of alignment and a zone of attraction. The zone of attraction may sound like a new dating show, but is actually the most far-reaching zone of these animals. This region allows for stragglers to avoid getting separated from the group, where they are far more likely to perish. The zone of alignment is the middle area, where the individuals face the same way to avoid getting in each other's way. As with all animals of prey, there is always a predator lurking around somewhere, and these elegant flyers subscribe to the theory of safety in numbers. Much the same as penguins, starlings find warmth in the middle of the flock by alternating time and exposure on the outside of the group. Geese, however, fly in a very different formation. They utilize a V shape, with a lead bird is typically followed by several others. The birds are 45 degrees behind the one in front and spread out, forming a moving V. These birds do this as it is an efficient way of sharing the burden of leading the group and taking the brunt of the air resistance.